Hi, Whiskers! What's? Oh, that's a good kitty. Sneaky little cat. Or big cat. Oh, good cat. Good kitty. Yeah, that's a good cat. Oh no, Whiskers. And back to his old self again, this cat. That's a good kitty. Sleepy cat. G'day viewers, my new Fluke DWM leads have arrived. And they smell good. I just smell that. It's got that high quality manufacturing smell to it. So it's actually the proper unbreakable leads. Proper rubber leads, and they're quite long. Genuine Fluke ones. All rubber and everything. These are nice probes. Much better. Genuine Fluke probes on an X-Tech clone Dick Smith Electronics multimeter. Anyway, I can probe things now again. Got nice long things on it as well. Should be able to do this on here. There we go. I can probe that. $244 volts. There you go. We've still got our 250 volt mains voltage range, not low like I was before in the 230 volt range. 50.04 hertz. Quite nice. They sit in there like that. They're a bit, because there's bottom casings in the way, but they're not too bad. Very high quality leads. There you go. 243.5 volts. Not bad. Turn it off. Unplug safety first. Much better, much better. Oh, I've got a 3-phase power port and everything. I could run some 3-phase wiring to here, make a little 3-phase switchboard up and test my 3-phase meters on 3-phase, but I can't phantom load them. I need a 3-phase variac and set something like that up with a 3-phase version of that, basically, to phantom load a 3-phase meter properly. Anyway, this one is a clean. This has got an extra digit which doesn't do anything and some blank offs. I don't think there's an extra number behind that. But there's an ML240 XDF6, another one of these. I've got bloody heaps of these. Very nicely made instrument though. And I've got another 2 for XDF6, but this one has a pulsing LED in it. I'll do a quick test on this one, so I know it's going to be accurate. They're a damn good meter, these. Documentation, acumen metering. Removed by the Formway group. Only for the 6013 it was removed. Formway group by electrical parts company. They Formway group actually they buy all the meters and they install them on various sites. They're an industrial electronics supplier slash what do they call it? I think they're part of a lineman company, I think. But I have heard of them on a couple of things. They sell various bits and pieces. Anyway, we'll hook that back up, do a quick test. But I think I'll leave those to later, because I think I'll leave these ones to last, because I know I've got plenty of these ones. You've seen me test these ones before. These are ML240s. So I'll leave those to later. Very careful. I reckon I'll save this. I'll do this one next. That one there is another Schlumberger readout one. As you can see, it's got the hidden digit behind there you can't see. And it's got the fake 0. That's identical to the one I sent to Radaclo 2007. I'll get this there, and I'm going to test this one here next. Now this one, let's be very careful, has not got another digit behind there, because I know this is a Schlumberger Register. The one that Raymond Radaclo 2007 has this readout. He filed these grey bits out, and there was an extra digit behind there. As you can see here, this one doesn't have that. there's no number wheels there, so I got ripped off. It's got the bloody identical. You can see where the lent and borrowed parts off one another. There's a potential coils there. Looks like we've got masking tape on that one. More modern meters aren't, well, they're still well made, but not quite as well made as they were a long time ago. Hey, there's a date code. Huh, a date code. 17th of the 6th, 1996. Hey, there you go. A date code on there. That's just some readout there. That register is from 1996. So that's at the time this meter was made. There you go. From 1996, you see. There's a solenoid there. Let's get this one a wire up and test. Oh, I'll be buggered, eh? A date code on that one. That makes dating it a lot easier. There you go, from 1996. So 2006 it was 10 years old. So it's about 18 years old, this meter. Anyway, let's wire it up. I do a quick test against the BAZ, and I might leave this one as a base meter for the rest of the other dual tariff ones, and I'll hook up the rate changer on the switch. Works. Yep, the low and high rate work. It's on low by default. Doesn't make a hell of a click and clunk like these ones do. These ones are some of the older ones make a nice click, a metallic click and clunk. This needs to go quiet. Anyway, let's put the variac on. Potential's on. Let's plug the variac in. It's on 0, safety first, make sure of that. Ready to go. I'll plug the variac in and we're good to go. Just give a quick check, make sure it's all right. There we go. That's on. Slowly turn it up. Nothing. BAZ's going, but this one's not. Alright. So that's a whole current meter, that one. So something's not right there. I've got neutral to I've got neutral to the solenoid. The switch is on different rates. But I have not got neutral going to my my potential coils there. Go on there, power going in, out. Phase in, phase out, phase in. Linking the laser because this these potentials are not tied into those main blocks. I have to put a jumper from there to there at each one of these three to liven the potential coils up in this meter, because these are actually separate. These metal bits in the middle are actually not electrically connected to the potential coils. We'll have to jump a wire from each one of these to liven the potential coil of that meter up. Then the meter will go. Anyway, we'll make that connection and it sure go. Oh well, look who's waking up. Hey Whiskers! I need to piss on stuff. If you're going to piss on something, I turn it on. Pissing when it's live, man. You might be able to piss on my stuff again, will you, eh? You sneaky little bugger. Alright, let's plug everything back in. We're good to go. Whiskers! What are you doing, cat? All that potentials are livened up. Yep, this is going to work now. Over here, there's a plug there. Whiskers! It's tripping up on my wires. Whiskers! Hey, Whiskers! Whiskers! Tell you what, this cat's unbelievable. It doesn't give a crap. Whiskers! Puss, puss, puss! Whiskers! Get out of there, will ya? I got that plugged in, you idiot. It is isolated, but still got to snap him. Whiskers! Bugger. Come on, you get your pets later on. I have to close the door, I think. I don't want this cat licking or rubbing his face or lips or anything that's got live. Teach him a lesson otherwise. That's closed. Bloody cat. Alright, it's on 0. There we go now. Yeah, because this is a slower meter, don't forget. So we've got 400 revs per kilowatt hour versus a 22.2 revs per kilowatt hour whole current meter. 30 to 125 amps. So it's going very slow. It's going to be a different way to test this one. So I'll get my little clamp meter out, set the tripod and the camera up and see what we can get. Alright, let's turn the voltage up and I'll get the clamp meter ready. So, I got 40 amps through the BOZ, that's rated at 10 to 40 amps max load. But I reckon I get around 30, just to be on this base load of this one. I'll turn this up. It's going very slow on the other one. I go 35. 35 amps, 35.3 amps going through that meter. Look at it whiz around. Bit of light in the subjects here, this helps. There you go, you can just see the BOZ moving. Now the other one's going very slowly because it's a but it's all three potentials are livened up. But yeah, 22.2 volts per kilowatt hour versus 400. So I have to look at numbers on the disc on this one and work that out to the 10th of what kilowatt hour on this one. Alright. Very slowly this other one. And BAZ's going along quite nicely. It's going very slowly. It's a whole current, 125 amps. It's a pretty slow meter. 912,000 on the highway. This meter's done some miles on it. Yeah, this one requires something a bit different to test these 3-phase ones. Very slow. I think it's moving a bit. It's gone down a bit, about halfway. Slowly. A little bit though, because it hasn't gone a full revolution on the wheel yet. What am I on there? 120, 140 volts. I'm at 40 amps in that BOZ. The BOZ is at full load, and it's quiet as a mouse. No rattles on that one. It's a pretty heavy duty meter, this one. To get this meter to go fast, I need massive loads in that one. Yeah, that's why I need a long test. I need another meter the same instead of the BOZ. Turn that down, 0, bang, bang on the mark. Unplug safety first. Unplug that safety first. Not too badly warm. I feel alright. Yeah, this yeah, I get another one of these meters to test against. I think we'll do a good test. The wheel's gone around at least. I've paid good attention. I think even about half the revolution it got on that one. Anyway, I think it'll be accurate anyway. It's a pretty new meter. So the test there, as I said, the test these ones is a little bit more different. I'll have to set up another setup for it. But anyway, that's you've seen the load wheel on that one there going. You've seen the BOZ going at full load, flat out. Anyway, it'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. That's already shined up pretty good. That'll come off.